Now let's talk about a smart selection tool, the Magic Wand tool. This tool works on bitmap images, not vector objects. That is, images brought from outside, which contain pixels. So, where do we get the Magic Wand tool? That's where the polygon tool is, in the same panel. If it's not visible there, then it doesn't matter. Click on the three dots and drag the Magic Wand tool from there to add it to the panel. That's it, the tools are right there. Now let's come to the tools. There is no shortcut key for this at present. So we have to select it manually. This tool in Adobe Animate identifies matching colors in an image in just one click. It works almost the same way in tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. Let's say you bring in a character image from outside, one with a white background. Like I took an image from the library. Now I want to make it a little bigger. How? With the free transform tool, as we learned in the previous class. Its shortcut key is Q. I pressed Q and with Shift I made it proportionally larger on the stage. Now I selected it with the selection tool. So the boundary is visible around it. This can be a group or a symbol. But we know that this is a PNG image. Mean bitmap. To make this bitmap an object we do Ctrl+B. It has now become an object that you can make changes to. Now let's take the Magic Wand tool. I selected the tool and clicked on the background of the image. And see, the background is selected. Now I'll just press delete and the background will be removed. If you want to check whether the background is really removed or not. So either move that character a little to the side. Or make the stage color black. For this go to the Properties panel. And change the color of the stage. Now see, the background has become transparent. You can go back by pressing Ctrl+Z. And if you want to edit the bitmap object again. So convert it into solid first. After this you can change the color easily also. Look, the color changed in just one click. So it is not necessary to use tools like Photoshop to remove the background. You can also do this in Adobe Animate. Because you are becoming an expert in Animate. Now I take another image, one full of gradients and mixed colors. Break it up by pressing Ctrl+B. Now go to the properties of the Magic Wand tool. Here is a threshold value. This allows you to control how many similar colors this tool selects. If the threshold remains 0. So this will select only the exact color. And if 50 or more do it, then similar shades will also be selected. Keeping the threshold between 20 and 30 often gives the best results. Now see how easily I am selecting the color. And I can also move or delete them. So pay attention. This tool works only on bitmap images. If you want to convert a vector shape to a bitmap. So what will you do? Let's say you have a vector shape. Select it. Right-click. And click on Convert to Bitmap. Now you can use the Magic Wand tool on it. I hope you have now understood this tool well. If you liked the video, so please like it, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. See you in the next class. Bye and take care.